Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjevan. Please like, share and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Chonyadali Dhuddhali is a traditional, simple and easy to make dish that is so delicious. Both kids and elders will love to have this dish made with Chana Dal as an evening snack. As it uses very little ghee, diet conscious people can have this guilt free too. We will need 1 cup of Chana Dal, 3/4 cup or more as per taste of either sugar or jaggery or as a mix of both. Here I have taken half cup jaggery and quarter cup sugar, about 1 tablespoon of ghee, 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, which is optional, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. First wash and pressure cook the dal, adding enough water. After the first whistle, lower flame and cook for another 5 whistles. Here is the cooked dal. You can lightly mash it too. Now add some water and when it boils, add the jaggery and the sugar. Continue cooking on low flame until it has blended well. Now add 1 or more teaspoons of ghee. Continue cooking till it has thickened. Now add the grated coconut and the powdered cardamom. When it comes all together, switch off and transfer to a greased plate and cut into desired shapes. Do not miss out on the cardamom powder as it gives this dish the unique flavor. I have molded them to modak shape to offer to our favorite god, Ganpati, on this auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.